Hi there! Welcome to Fire TV Hunter RJ. I'm Deborah, and today we're diving into Sport HD, the ultimate Kodi add-on for live sports like NFL and soccer. It's free, it's fast, and remember to always use legal sources and a VPN for your safety. Let's get this installed on your Fire Stick in under a minute. First, we need to enable unknown sources. Head to Settings, then System, and find Add-ons. Toggle that on. Now, go to File Manager and select Add Source. Enter http://bugatsinho.xyz and name it Bugatsinho. Next, back to Add-ons, click Install from Zip, choose Bugatsinho, and select Repository. Bugatsinho 1.0 zip. Wait for the notification. Now, install from Repository, find Bugatsinho Repo, then Video Add-ons, and click on Sport HD to install it. Once it's installed, launch it from Add-ons, pick your game, and start streaming. Pro tip: use Real Debris for HD links and Surfshark VPN for extra safety.